Ugh, that feeling. Trying to style your hair and your expensive Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer only powers on when you hold the cord just so, like it's playing hard to get. If you're wiggling your Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer cable to make it work, you're not alone. This is a super common issue, often described as the dryer only working at a certain angle. It's the telltale sign of a faulty cable. Essentially, repeated bending and stress on the cord, usually right where it connects to the handle, causes the internal wires to break or fray. This isn't just annoying, it can be a safety risk, potentially leading to sparks or an electrical hazard. You see that faulty cable on your Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer, you search online and you think, maybe I can fix this myself? We get it. The drive to save money and the satisfaction of a DIY fix is strong. But hold on. While it might seem like just a cable swap, the Dyson Supersonic isn't your average appliance. It's a sophisticated piece of technology packed with delicate electronics. And crucially, that faulty cable involves handling mains voltage wiring. Don't let a bad cable ruin your good hair day, or worse. RoboCare, your go-to for tech fixes, knows exactly how to handle this faulty cable. At RoboCare, our technicians aren't just experienced with Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. They're trained in handling complex electronic repairs safely and effectively. We have the right tools, genuine replacement parts, and the know-how to address this specific Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer faulty cable problem correctly, ensuring both performance and safety. But seeing is believing, right? Let's check out the results. Look at that. After RoboCare worked their magic, this Supersonic is back to performing flawlessly. No more cord gymnastics. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
Seriously, I am so relieved and happy with the service from RoboCare. They were professional, communicative, convenient with the courier option, and most importantly, they fixed the problem safely and effectively. If you're having issues with your robot vacuum, definitely call RoboCare.
Don't gamble with your safety or your expensive device. Trust the experts at RoboCare to handle it safely and effectively. Visit our service center or use our convenient courier service.